Hey good people, this is your boy Larry Jones. For those of you that are not subscribed to this page, you're missing a ton of money. I have assembled a team, which I'm going to talk about later, but in this video, I'm going to show you a stock that is for surely going to 10, 15, 20 times your money. We'll see you at the intro. So let's get right into it. This stock I did a video on about a week ago, and I got charts here. I want to show it to you. I'm going to show you the video and then we'll talk after that. Okay, so let's look at the video that I did about a week ago, and I'm going to show you what's going on with the stock. The first one is called BEEM, ticker symbol BEEN, and that is BEEM Global, and that's spelled BEAM Global. All right. Now, this company I like. You won't see this company anywhere. I don't see it anywhere. It's not a lot about it. Not a lot of YouTubers talking about it. But what it is it's in the charging stations. It does charging, and it was formerly Envision Solar. So it's a solar company. But one of the cool things that they're growing in the EV market. So they do other solar, but they're growing in the EV market because they are going to be doing charging stations, but their charging stations will get its energy from solar. So you heard that. It's a company that does solar, but it does it for charging stations. So typically, when you want to set up a charging stations, the permitting could take up to 10 months, right? This solar panel charging station can be set up in 48 hours, and you don't need the permits because you have to run electric and tap into the poles and all of that with all these restrictions. This is a solar panel charging station that gets its energy from solar. And I'm going to show you why it is running up today and exploding. As you could see right now, it is at 25.85, right? And Yahoo Finance has it, this is today, strong buy and a buy. No hold, no underperform, no sell, just strong buy and buy. But here's why it is running today. Sorry for the scrolling, you guys. So yesterday, read this. BEEM Global awarded GSA mass contact. Let me start over. BEEM Global awarded GSA mass contract to provide ARC, solar EV charging infrastructure products to federal government. This is huge, people. This is on yahoofinance.com. You can read all of this and see why it is running up, right? And so let me tell you guys that this is huge. I showed you this guys about a week ago, and I got it here in my charts, and I'm going to show you. If you guys look at all my videos and look at when I told you to buy them, it wasn't at the absolute bottom, but it's before it's popped. Chasing hype stock is easy. Everybody can do that. And I'm going to tell you another thing before we go back into this. I have assembled a team, people. I've assembled a team. It's just not me. I have a guy that is very good in technical charts. All right. I know charts. He knows charts. He knows charts, technical charts better, deeper than I do. And I got another guy that is good on spotting stocks. And so I don't just take what anybody brings to the table The other two, we challenge it and we dig down, right? And so it is not this one gives this and this one gives that. It is looked over. I'm sorry I couldn't get this video to you guys earlier, but I was buying stock. I'm loading up. And I hope this finds you guys. Take your finger, for those of you that are not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. But more importantly, hit that notification bell until it is blacked out or blued out to make sure you are getting all of my notifications, right? And so I will tell you also this without getting anybody in trouble. There are some of these sites, some of you guys know it, I can't call their name. They charge thousands and thousands of dollars for some information for you to get early notification on movements like this. All I'm going to say is one of the guys on my team has this information and will continue to get this information. I'm giving it to my family for free. Join the Stock Up family. But this company, BEEM, B-E-E-M Global, B-E-A-M Global, the ticker symbol is BEEM, BEEM Global. They can go out, they can set a charging station up in 5 hours. They don't have to run electricity, and they just got a humongous government contract. And you guys know what's going to happen. And I've been telling you, check out my video on chargeback, SBE. I am very bullish. I have an entire portfolio with nothing but energy, stock. Plug, SBE, BEEM. It's nothing but energy. And I'm telling you right now, they are doing well. I am up over 50. This stock, had you bought it when I ran that video just a week ago, you guys would be up 55% as of right now. You were 55% in a week. So yeah, we got the Neos and the Teslas and all of these hype stock. That's cool. But after a while, when everybody is on it, it's only going to run up so much. You want to get on the ground floor of companies like this that is about to explode. And yes, I am very bullish on this. This stock in the next couple of years could 10 times, I think 10 to 15 times your money. This is how infrastructure, remember, $1.3 trillion infrastructure bill that President-elect Joe Biden wants to pass. Okay. And so this is just the beginning of 10, 15 times in your money. Now, I always have to say this, and I apologize for my deep voice, but I got bad allergies. You see the red eyes. I always say this. Before you make any financial decisions, read my disclaimer. You have to do your own research, and you should consult with your own financial advisor, to which I am not. But I can tell you, this year alone, my portfolio is up over 45%. If I told you guys what it was, you wouldn't believe me. But I don't just chase hype stock. But I have a lot of hype stock. Don't get me wrong. I know when to get in and when to get out. I'm not trying to find the absolute bottom, and I'm not trying to find the absolute top, right? But my thing is, I'm not like these guys that's trying to sell you all of this crap, but I have assembled a very well put together team, and we've been performing well. So if you want to continue to get great stock picks like this, subscribe to this channel. This is what I'm telling you guys right now, because I want to tell you guys this. I need you to do a favor. Number one, hit the like button to keep these videos out there. But I want to ask you guys a question. In shortly, maybe in a month, maybe by the beginning of the year, a lot of companies, a lot of YouTubers are doing Discord channels, right? And Patreons. I want to do something different. You guys know I like to be different. I want to do something different. I just want to somehow provide a video of all of the stock I'm looking at for that week. So my family, you and you that's watching, instead of charging $20 and $59 and this and that and stair-stepping a Patreon out, I'm thinking about $9.95 a month, making something extremely affordable. So you guys will see before I post everything. So what I do is I study, I buy, and then I make videos, right? And so if I'm studying and everything, and I just let you guys see what I'm studying, then the stock that I'm studying before the videos come out, you guys will get you guys will see it before, and you guys could do your own research, and you guys can make more money. And yes, I do need to spend more time doing this, and that would allow me, that $9.95 a month will allow me to do that. And I want to end by saying this. I've had a lot of companies contact me. I just turned down a huge amount of money from a gold company. When I mean a huge amount of money, it is more than most people make in a year, because I want to stay legit with you guys. I don't want to make the mistakes. I don't want to say, hey, you should buy this company and it's sponsored. I don't want to do that. I could make easy money, but I want to be fair. I want to be transparent with you guys, but I want to continue to get hot pick stocks like this out to you guys at a early time where you can maximize. Had you bought this, it was around the $17 mark, you would be up 55%. And I just want to continue to bring you this information. So what I'm going to do is I want you to comment on what you think about this company and about this stock. Read the article. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to pin at the top of this video in the comment section. I'm going to say, hey, what do you think about the $9.95? Instead of you guys commenting on it, you can. Those of you who want to comment, you comment it. But just hit the like button on that comment if you would be interested in doing something like that. I haven't set it up yet. I'm trying to find a way where I could do more of this and get you guys some information out. I know what I'm doing personally in my portfolio, and this year, since 2007, has been my best year by far. And I want you guys to make money too, but I need you to help me help you. So I'm thinking around $9.95 a month. I'm not doing the $59.95 and the $20 a month. I want to make it affordable for the masses. Okay, good people? Y'all know how we do it here. Live, love, laugh, and learn. I'll post another video tonight. You want to check that out. Love you. Peace.